This is the Avantree HT5009 Plus, a set of comfortable headphones, a Bluetooth transmitter, and a wireless charging dock, all designed to perfectly complement your TV watching experience. In this video, we'll cover the following. Let's start with the headphones. On the bottom of the headphone's left ear cup, you'll find the power switch, which also activates pairing mode. Next to it is the EQ mode swap button, an aux jack for using the headphones in wired mode, and a Type-C port for charging the headphones on the go. On the side of the headphone's left ear cup, there are buttons to adjust the volume up or down, as well as a button to mute TV audio or reconnect to the transmitter. There's also an LED indicator that will change color to tell you your pairing, connection, battery, and charging statuses. On the transmitter, you'll find the power switch on the right side and the volume boost switch on the left side. On the top are several LED indicators that show your input, codec, and connection statuses. Right below the indicators are buttons for pairing up to 2 pairs of headphones, as well as 2 volume adjustment buttons. On the back of the transmitter are the audio input ports that you'll use to connect the transmitter to the TV, the audio output ports for bypassing audio to a soundbar, and the power port. First, power up the transmitter by connecting it to either one of your TV's USB ports or by plugging it into a wall outlet using a wall adapter. Slide the switch to the on position. If you powered the transmitter via your TV, the transmitter will automatically turn on and off with the TV. Now that the transmitter is all powered up, there are 2 different ways you can connect the transmitter to your TV's audio ports: optical or 3.5mm aux. You only need to use one of these. We recommend optical for the best sound quality. To connect via optical, plug the provided optical cable into the transmitter's optical port in the Input from TV section. Then plug the other end into your TV's optical out port. Use your TV remote to configure your TV's audio settings in order to receive audio from the transmitter. Go to Settings, Sound, Sound Output, and select Optical Out/Audio Out. Then change the TV's audio formats to PCM and turn Dolby off. Be aware that your TV might have slightly different names for these settings. To connect via aux, plug the provided auxiliary cable into the transmitter's aux port in the Input from TV section. Then plug the other end into your TV's aux 3.5mm output port. Use your TV remote to configure your TV's audio settings. Go to Settings, Sound, Sound Output, and select Headset or External Speaker. Again, please note that your TV may have slightly different names for these settings. Now that your transmitter is all set up, all that's left is to connect the headphones. Make sure your transmitter is powered on. Turn the headphones on as well by sliding the power switch to the on position, and they'll automatically connect to the transmitter. The headphone's LED will turn solid blue, and the transmitter's one LED will turn solid white. If you successfully followed the steps above, you're now ready to watch TV. The pass-through function allows you to listen through both the headphones and an external soundbar or stereo AVR simultaneously. To do so, plug an additional optical or aux cable into the correlating port in the transmitter's bypass to speaker section. Plug the other end into your external sound system, then you're good to go. Please note that you must use the same cable type for connecting to the TV and the soundbar. For example, if you used an optical cable to connect the transmitter to the TV, you must also use an optical cable to connect the transmitter to your soundbar. You can add a second pair of HT5009 Plus headphones to your setup while maintaining low latency. While the first pair of headphones are connected to the transmitter, press and hold the "to" button on the front of the transmitter until this LED flashes white and green alternately. On your second pair of HT5009 Plus headphones, slide and hold the power switch to the pair position until the LED on the ear cup flashes red and blue alternately. Keep them close and wait for a few seconds until they connect. Once connected, the headphone's LED indicator will turn solid blue, while the "to" LED on the transmitter will turn solid white. You can use the HT5009 Plus headphones independently as regular Bluetooth headphones. First, turn off or unplug the transmitter. Then turn on the headphones and slide and hold the power switch to the pair position until the LED on the ear cup flashes red and blue alternately. In your phone's Bluetooth menu, search for and select Avantree AS19. The two will connect and you'll be good to go. There are two ways to charge the headphones. The first is with the wireless charging dock. Once you plug it into a power source, all you have to do is align the headphone's right side with the charging dock's right side. Then place the headphones on top. The LED indicator on the charging dock will turn red when charging, then off once charging is complete. The second option is to plug a USB-C cable directly into the headphone's charging port on the left ear cup. Plug the other end of the cable into a power source, such as a wall plug or a computer's USB port. If you ever need any assistance with your HT5009 Plus, please reach out to us at support@avantree.com or on support.avantree.com. We're here to help. If you found this video helpful, consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribe